She likes Badtz-Maru and Hangyodon. Her favorite color is purple. Three canvas bags. One file folder. Two notebooks. Plus one more. Three pens. Let's add this blind box pen. One mechanical pencil. One tape. Two memo pads. Plus one more. One bookmark. Plus one more. One sticky note. Plus three more. One scenery sticker. Plus one more. One mini charm. Plus three more. One plush charm. Plus one more. One plush pencil bag. One mouse pad. Oops, I missed a mini charm bead. Let's exchange it for these handmade badges. I love noodles too. One bricks. One bracelet. Let's exchange it for this headband. One wallet. I don't have very much Badtz-Maru, so let's add these stickers.